Good afternoon, folks. Shane here at Double LNS Farm. We got some extra chores to do today before we do our actual chores. So why don't you all come along? So we're going to start with Ian. Say hi, Ian. All right, so when you're trimming hooves, a goat's going to have this outer wall. It's like a fingernail, and then it has this squishy part. The squishy part's what allows them to climb. So we're going to go ahead and start trimming his hooves here, and we're going to try and make everything level. So that's the big goal. He's going to squirm a little bit. That's all right. It's not hurting him. See, there's a little bit there. You want to dig that out. You don't want anything in there. So his heel's a little high, so we're going to trim that down. Got a little bit of a tag here. Can't get rid of that. I'll clip off that little bit there. That way it won't get that pocket again, hopefully. Doesn't look like it goes in there very far. So we're going to look down it, sight down, make sure everything's nice and level. And we'll move to the next one. Again, the heel's a little high here, so we'll trim it back. Oh, it's okay, Ian. So the important thing is that you can make them bleed. It's vascular tissue, right? So you'll see right here, it's starting to get a little pink. I don't know if the camera can pick that up. That means we're about where we need to be and we don't want to go any further. There we go. That looks pretty good. Nice and level. So now it's Waylon's turn. Let's get to it. Alright, so just like with Ian, we're going to trim back the nail. We'll level off the sole here. There we go, that's pretty level. So we have to set up a new chicken pen. Let's go. There we go. Chickens are all in there. Sounds like we have a little bit of a short. I'll have to fix that on the fence. Anyway, you want to keep your chickens in whatever coop or shelter you're going to keep them in. You want to keep, especially if they're egg layers, really. If you have egg layers, you want to keep them in there for at least 24 hours or so they know that's home. So we'll be keeping them in there until tomorrow afternoon at the earliest. We'll probably keep them in until the next day. So there you have it. There you go, folks. Got some goat hoof trimming in. Got the chickens out. Now to go and do some chores. You have a good day. God bless.